when you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close.
Basically what I've done is I've got some pasta on the go, and I've mashed up some chicken lettuce, and got some pasta sauce as well. I got some bolognese on the go as well, and I've flung some meatballs in the oven as well. The creation shall be out very soon. I've just got to put the Bird's Eye mini chicken grillers on. Let's have a look at those.
Her rainbows and a bonus. She was educated but could not count to 10. Now she got lots of different horses by lots of different men. And I say liberation, sons and daughters. The bush is hot, but in the hole there's water.
Okay, what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just going to put the sauce in to the pot, and I'm going to whisk that on the lighter. Let's have a look for you. Okay, so all of that goes into there, so, and then we need to find the lighter. Okay, this is where we need to stand back because it's going to be highly dangerous. So let's have a look for you. Okay. Okay. Okay, had a little bit of an issue. Actually forgot to put the chicken bits in, which are these here, so it's going to be delayed for a little bit, but no worries, I've just winged it in. Won't be long.
Mama told me not to waste my life. She said spread your wings, my little butterfly. Don't let what they say keep you up at night.
We have the pasta, the meatballs, and the chicken lettuce. 2 dishes, all very good. Just waiting on 2 chicken bits that I forgot to put in. Those will be out in a minute. So, all in all, very successful Chef with John session. Thank you.